Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get backlinks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Semrush to find and acquire backlinks is a powerful way to improve your website's SEO. Alright, so once you are logged in to your account, here's how you can use Semrush to discover backlink opportunities. So I want you to go to the Semrush's dashboard in the left side panel. In this interface, you can basically see the link building. Alright, so these are one of the options wherein you can get backlinks here in Semrush. You might want to click on the backlink analytics. All right. Now it would require you to enter a domain. You can input your own domain, or if with a competitor. For example, we're going to put in maybe youtube.com, because that's not our competitor per se, but we upload our videos here. Now if you see this pop-up box right here, all right, so if you're using the free trial, you're going to be having a limitation with the search queries, and if you want to have no limitations for that, you might want to subscribe to the pro plan, which requires you this, but of course you can use the 7 days free trial. Instead, we're skipping this. What we're going to do now is click the link building tool. Similarly to the option earlier, just put in your domain, because we're going to get some backlinks using the Semrush. All right. The backlink analytics is only an option for you if you want to discover the backlink opportunities from your competitor. But if you want to create or get backlinks for your website or domain, just click the start link building. You see, these are just 3 steps to build backlinks: research, all right, explore new backlink resources, connect, and of course start link building. Click this option right here. You would be forwarded to this page. All right. Now, you can add your own keywords if you want. For example, let's remove all the keywords for now. We can put in, say, for example, G-flaps. Click on add. Maybe, for example, this. Click on add. These are just examples, all right? But of course, you can put in your own keywords here. Once you've finalized that, you see you can enter one keyword per line or separate keywords with a comma or semicolon. And again, adding keywords using this will make it rank higher. And of course, you have to click this competitors button right here. You can enter one competitor per line or separate competitors with a comma or semicolon. All right. If you want to remove all of these, just click that. For example, we're going to type in these are just example, right? You can put in the website of your competitor. And you can put all the competitors for as long as you want, but that's going to be around a limit of 10 competitors. Now, click this button right here that says Start Link Building. It'll take a little while, all right, for you to do it. Now, you see, you can boost your SEO performance with the ultimate backlink profile. You can search for link prospects by their source. You see, it's still loading, collecting and analyzing data. Just wait for it. It takes a little while, really. But you can select the best link prospects, determine the value of each link. You can start reaching out, grant the tool access to your Gmail account to easily contact domain owners to acquire backlinks from. And of course, they also offer the track backlink visibility. Keep an eye of the status of your backlinks. All right. So later we're gonna be exploring all of them. But for now, we'll wait for this. It takes a little while depending on the data sets of your domain. But YouTube is a big website, so it takes a little while. But if your website is kind of not like this, you would be able to see this. You have the in progress, monitor, prospects, and overview. All right, so we'll wait until it's already set up right here. So collecting and analyzing data is complete. Click the view prospects. Now from here, now you see you have like 2,000 prospects where you can outreach to. All right. If you click this button right here, you see you can check the drop-down menu. You can select an outreach strategy for this 2,000. All right. You can do a manual link, directory catalog, add link to an article, product review, link from mention, guest post, and recover lost backlinks. So you can have all of these. All right. You can customize your outreach strategies here. Excuse me. If you click this button right here. Now, essentially, you can add your own outreach strategy. All right. Manual link. If you click that, you can contact the domain owner directly. All right. For example, it's www.blog.com. You might want to go to that website. You would be notice the blogger behind that website. You can directly contact them. In terms of the directory catalog, you see, you can put in your own outreach message for this one. All right, your project domain name, URL of prospect, domain of prospect. All right, and you can create a template that you wanted to reach out and have like a deal that your domain will be featured in their domain and their domain will be featured to their blogs and whatnot. All right. In this section, you can add link to an article. Same thing. Product review right here. It's like creating a deal. Link from mention, guest post right here. If you want that. First email message and then the follow up for that. All right. For example, this. And recover lost backlinks. You have, and you can save this template once you are done. So basically, these are some of the easiest way for you to get or build backlinks using Semrush. It's very easy, really. After that, go to in progress, recover the backlink. And if you want to delete one of the websites that I think are spammy, just click this trash icon here and it'll be put in the rejected. All right. You can now have these sections wherein you can go to the prospects list right here. All right. Or if you want to import prospects if you have like, if you already build a prospect list from your Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, you can do that as well. If you click that, select an outreach strategy right here and put in the domain per line. You can monitor the progress right here. Again, you can import all of the information right here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.